Hi. Hello to all our friends all over the world. My name is Uri Gutman. I'm the CEO of Haifa Negev Technology, the manufacturing plant of Haifa Group. Today is Wednesday, April 17th. I want to show you that we are here in Haifa Negev in full capacity. Let's see. From here you can see the storage area where we continue to export approximately 1,300 containers every month.
Hello, I'm Sharon Eyal, VP Operations of Haifa Group. Today is April 17th and we are at Haifa Negev site where we produce the multi-K, the polyfeed, MEP, MKP, phosphoric acid and more. Behind me is the main gate. Over there you can see the new ammonia plant.
Hello, my name is Ben Sharabi. I'm the phosphoric acid plant manager. Here behind me you can see the factory. We are replacing a segment of the column today. We wish you a happy holiday, happy Passover and good luck.
I'm Kirill. I'm the production manager at Haifa Negev. I work here for 17 years. You see the central control room. As you can see, we have full capacity and we're in operation during this time. The nitric acid plant, the potassium nitrate plant, the phosphoric acid plant, and the utilities plant all work at full capacity, and we continue the operation.
My name is Sapir. I'm the polyfeed MKP and T plant manager. Today we are filming from the polyfeed plant. For now we are cleaning and changing between two products, but in 2 hours we are going to re-operate in full capacity, and I'm here sending you a message that nothing and no one can stop us.